Hey, hope you're all doing fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to share with you how to make DIY rice serum like this one here, and also how to make rice scrub. So this one here is a scrub which is going to give you even skin tone. Yeah, this is going to remove suntan, and this here is an anti-aging serum. So let's just get straight into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Here is how you do it. This is my rice flour that we're going to use, but if you have rice, then you just need to boil it. I'm going to put this one in a sufuria. I'm going to boil it. Then we're going to add water. So I'm going to stir this one. This is what we're going to boil. I'm going to put this one on low heat and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's well cooked. Then after that, I'm going to wait for another 10 minutes for it to cool down before I prepare the serum. So this is how it looks like after the 20 minutes. So I'm just going to wait for it to cool down. After the rice has cooled down, the next step is to make sure there are no large particles. So I strain it. You can use a strainer or you can use a blender to blend. So after I'm done, now you're going to prepare our serum. In a separate bowl, add the paste of the rice, 1 teaspoon. Then another 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And after that, you're going to put 2 teaspoons of rose water, or you can put 1 tablespoon of rose water. Add 1 teaspoon of pure glycerin. And then 1.5 teaspoon of almond oil. And finally, 2 vitamin E capsules. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together until it's well mixed, and this is our serum. Before applying the serum, I'm going to show you how you can use this rice as a scrub or as a mask in my next step. So the face is clean. We're going to start with the scrub. Then after scrubbing, I'm going to clean my face and then apply. You can also use this one to mask your face. Just apply it on your face and leave it for 30 minutes. But you can scrub it, you can use it to mask your face. This is packed with pure anti-aging properties. You need to do this twice in a week for you to see changes. You can apply it on the body and your legs. Yeah. Rice masks have anti-aging properties, and with this one the results are even more faster and more noticeable. You can see how with every use your face becomes more supple, fine lines disappears within no time. I would advise you to use rice mask regularly for you to see results. I love the effect that the rice has on my skin, guys, after the mask and the scrub of the rice, and my face feels super hydrated, supple and smooth. So the next step, guys, is to use our serum on the skin. The serum equally treats blemishes, fine lines and pimples that leads to aging, and also retains the elasticity and firmness of the skin to make you look fresh and young. So guys, I always tell you, when you're applying any mask, never forget the area on the neck. It's very important. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my neck. this is perfect for dry, damaged or aging skin, and it's highly moisturizing. The remaining serum, I'm going to store it in an airtight container. So I have a little remaining, and this is going to last me 2 weeks. So I'm going to store it in the fridge for 2 weeks. And also for the remaining mask, I'm gonna transfer it in a storage container and store it for 3 weeks. So this one is going to last longer than the serum. So you're not supposed to keep the serum for more than 2 weeks. But for the scrub, this one can stay even for 1 month because this is just rice. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. You see the glow after the application of the serum is just amazing, and it's noticeable, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Bye.